So check it out, finally. The new 2022 C300 is here, and oh my, is it super nice. Exceeding all expectations, not only for us, but for our clients. And just overall, this car is insane. So let's go ahead and start walking around it. So it still has 255 horsepower. It is using a 4-cylinder turbo with the EQ Boost, which is the electric starter motor that you would see in some of our inline 6 and V8 bi-turbo cars. But that being said, you do get a little bit more torque. So let's talk about this spec on this particular car. So this one is painted in polar white, and it has the AMG Sport Package. I'll show you guys a car here in a little bit that does not have the AMG Sport Package. This one also has the night package. So all of the trim, mirrors, wheels all have black accents. One thing that I love, because this came off of the CLS, instead of the diamond grille, we have miniature stars as the grille, which looks awesome. So this entire car has been completely remodeled. You also have the LED high performance headlights, completely remodeled as well. As you can tell, if I just stand over here and you guys have an idea of what the side profile looks like, completely different. Coming around to the rear, looks absolutely fantastic. Standard LED headlamps and tail lamps. And as we jump on to the inside, that's where things get really crazy. So we are marketing this car, believe it or not, as a baby S-Class because of this. Look familiar if you guys have seen the new S500 or S580. That screen and center display will look very familiar. So let me go ahead and hop in here. So like I said, this is the this is a sport package car. Let me turn this down just a smidge. This is a sport package car, and it also has the sport interior. So we have the AMG Sport steering wheel, as you can tell, straight out of the, actually this was debuted in the E-Class and now the GT 4-door cars. So this will look pretty similar to that. So all of your, if you have the driver's assistance package, everything, the cruise control will be controlled here. These buttons will control this screen. You have several different displays. So like this is the classic display, and here's the sport display. This is actually Sam's car, he works here. And then over here, these buttons will control this screen. So obviously this is the, looks like it just came right out of the S-Class. It is an 11.9 inch OLED display. This one is 12.3 inches. Of course, touchscreen. All of your climate control will always stay down here at the bottom. This car also has the enhanced ambient lighting package. So there's even more ambient lighting in here, from inside the vents. I mean, just absolutely everywhere inside of the car. Truly sick. And then also you have, if you're familiar with the EQS or the S-Class, you also now have the ambient lighting settings out of there. So we have like Malibu Sunset, Miami Rose, Venice Pink. Malibu Sunset is one of my favorites, looks awesome. It is, you have the multicolor animation, climate control, all of that will change how the ambient lighting is used in the car. You also now have wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, which everyone has been asking for. So we finally have that. Coming over here to the door, all of this will look very familiar. So all of your seat controls, again, everything is completely new and redesigned on the inside of this car. In order to close the door, you actually just grab right here. All of your mirrors, window, all of that kind of stuff, light, parking brake. You can see up here for the sunroof, this one just has the standard sunroof. I hope you guys can see everything. I'm using a GoPro Hero 9 Black right now. The new seats, so this one has the black MBTEX interior. You have this awesome, almost looks like metal weave trim. It is a matte finish. All of your parking buttons, so actually, does this one, yep. So you can just scroll around the car and see everything that's around you via the 360 camera. It also has that's part of the parking assistance package. And then you have, let's go back to the home screen. This is where you adjust all of your driving modes, which is pretty nice. And then you also have separate profiles, which you can adjust for, you know, multiple drivers, and to access the profiles, you can just use the fingerprint scanner right here to get into them. Again, all of your options just up here. This one does not have factory navigation, but again, Apple CarPlay will allow you to do that. Man, this car is truly exceeding expectations, that is for sure. Jump out here, have a look at the back seat. Again, still very spacious back here. Peek up at the front again. Doesn't get all that, is absolutely gorgeous. But this is just a quick look at the new 2022 Mercedes-Benz C300. And then what I'm going to do now is actually we'll just drive back there and I will show you a C300 that does not have Sport Package. But again, this is just going to be a super quick video. I can do a more in-depth video here soon on the C300. One thing too, they got rid of all of the like silver accents on here, and they put gloss black, which I really, really like. And then we will do a POV driving video here very shortly. Won't be able to do it today, but here soon. And the car sounds awesome. The 4-cylinder turbo sounds incredible. It was lacking that in the previous generation, and they basically just like left the wastegates open, and it sounds awesome. But to my left, we've got a plethora of C-classes here. And here is one without the Sport Package. So definitely a huge difference on the front end. The fascia is a little bit further up. Grille is completely different. Actually has a Panamericana grille sort of esque look to it. As you can tell, these are totally different wheel option. Over here we have a more of like a multi-spoke option. This one's got the sienna brown leather on the inside. So the new C-Class base MSRP starts at 45 grand, and then it kind of just works its way up from there. But wow, more to come definitely on the new 2022 C300.